Thank you so much for tuning into our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to unbox this screwdriver set. Is electric precision screwdriver set from Xcool. If you are in the small electronics repair industry, whether it's repairing cell phones, tablets, small electronics, it could be gaming systems, VR systems, this is something nice to have. Also, if you are a mobile repair technician, if you come to your customers, this is a nice little mobile tool to have with you where you can take it with you wherever you want and get your repairs done efficiently and effectively. So we are going to unbox it, check it out, and then we're going to talk a little bit about their Xcool products and how you can get them. So this one in particular, and we want to give Xcool our thanks for sending this to us, is a 39-in-1. They do have others out there, but we're going to unbox this one and show you what's inside, what comes with it. I like the packaging, that's for sure. Very neat. Let's see what's in this box first. Pretty neat. So we have some additional tools besides the driver itself. So you have some tweezers here, and you have this prying tool as well. And I'm assuming this is the USB-C charger cable, and sure enough it is. So you have your USB-C on one side and then your USB on the other side. And now let's go ahead and check out the main component. It does come with a manual, which is nice to have. And the main component, oh wow, I like this. I like this. And I'll tell you what, we've had different small mini electronic screwdrivers, but they don't come in a box like this where you can take it with you. Like, I like this because I can put this in my back pocket, I can put it in a backpack, and I'm ready to go. And it seems like that's where you connect to charge it. And let's see. Oh, check that out. So this is the button you press, and look at that. Look at that. That is super, super cool. Really impressed. You're done with it, and you drop it in there, and this is like super, super strong. I mean, this is not cheap. So this looks like it can take a hit. You can drop it, and it's going to protect it. Press that button, it pops up, and oh, check that out. Check that out. So you have your connector here that goes there, and when you're ready to charge, all you need to do is drop it in there and connect. That's it. It's just like a cell phone. Just plug it on the bottom and you're good to go. The only thing I would look at, double check, is make sure those are connecting. And by trying this out in different angles, it looks like it will only drop in that way. So that is a super cool feature. I'm already impressed with it, and I haven't even started using it. But from looking at the drivers, the bits that are included with this driver, they are clearly labeled on the top. And then if you look closely, you can see that they are also labeled or etched on every single bit. That is really cool. And then you have your different drill bits, and they are also labeled on the top. And then you got them up top here as well. And let's see what this is. Looks like it's some, oh, it's probably the adapter to use your drill bits. So that's pretty cool too. I probably won't be using these as much, but sometimes you might have a screw that is stripped, and one of these will come in handy if you can just drill over the screw and manage to get to what you're trying to do. So you have all your bits labeled. Like I said, they are clearly etched on the actual drill bits, and they're labeled on the top. You have the basic ones that you will be using in your cell phone repair. So you have your Phillips, your tri-wing, your flathead. There are some flatheads out there. But I'll tell you what, let's go ahead and oh, this is pretty cool. You have means to magnetize and demagnetize. So your bits, if you want to pick up screws, you can magnetize on this side, on this hole. You can demagnetize on the other side as well. So pretty much it will do what these do. So you see how in the bottom you have to magnetize and demagnetize. You have that already here. So it's a nice portable, mobile set to have. And like I said, this box, this is strong metal. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It feels very strong, sturdy, excellent quality. I give them a thumbs up on the metal. So let's go ahead and try this. I'm going to put a bit on there. I'm going to try it on a Motorola phone, one of these Samsung phones that has a lot of screws, so we can test it out and we will see. All right, we got our Motorola phone here that we're going to test out, and wanted to show you a few features that I like already. And this came in already in there, just like that, and this little cap came over it. So it almost looks like the cap that's on a tire, but you take it out, you take this part out, because this is the adapter you're going to use when it comes to using your drill bits. So we're going to use our Phillips, the 00. Couple features I already like. When you turn it on, it's got a display that's telling you your battery life. It's got a light at the top, so it's going to help you illuminate the area that you're working on. And the actual area where these bits sit are magnetized, meaning that you flip them over and they're not going to fall out. I mean, this fell out. This is not magnetized, but your bits are. So you do that and they're not going to fall out. And then again, forgot to mention, but look at that. You do have some bits on the other side as well, which I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video. I didn't even notice it, but look at that. You have bits not only on this side, but you have bits on the other side. So you are going to have your different bits that you're going to need for your iPhones to take out those penelope screws out. Super, super cool. And as I say super, super cool, of course I'm thinking about Xcool. All right, so let's go ahead and try this out. This is a Motorola 5G Stylus. Screw comes out very easily. And by the way, I really feel it really smooth on my hand as far as taking them out. And of course, when it's magnetized, the screw should come out with it, and it does stay in there nicely, so it does give it a good grip. I mean, it's in there pretty good. I like the grip. So you should be able to work on a Motorola or Samsung or any phone that has lots of these tiny screws with this screwdriver bit. I like it, the fact that it has a display on there. Your grip is very easy as far as how you're going either forward or in reverse as far as getting the screws in. In this position, you can do that. You can go back to take the screw out, front to take it in, and it does have that really nice bright LED. So let me turn off these lights here and see how bright it really is. There we go. Yeah, that's really good. So this will illuminate any area. And let me try to turn off these other lights for a minute. With the rest of the lights off in the area, I mean, you still have some lighting coming in through the windows. Look at that. It illuminates. I mean, you basically have a flashlight that's going to show you where you're working at. As long as you're pressing this, it'll stay on for like 2 or 3 seconds. Actually, a little bit longer than that. Yeah, about 4 or 5 seconds. But it's nice. It's a nice feature to have. Here's something really cool. There's a button on the back that lets you turn on the flashlight. And you can see the bulb turns on. So if you just want to use it for the flashlight, you just press that button in the back. Now, if you press that button and you hold it down for a few seconds, like a long press, it'll bring you the different levels. And that's just showing you, what strength you want. So you want high strength. The highest strength is going to be obviously to put in, like you're using a drill bit there. But for repairs, you can choose anywhere from 1 to 4. And then, of course, if you're drilling a hole, then you want to use this one. So that's something nice that's in the back there already. Okay. So again, if you're looking for a nice driver to have that's compact, portable, it's going to have, let me put these lights back on. It's going to have pretty much everything you need. Look into this box. Everything is in there. Again, I love the design, the way this charges. I love the design in this tin box. So it really does protect it while it's in there. And the way it drops in there, I mean, it's just, that is really, really nice design. So you've got most of the bits that you need. Now, they do have another model. This company has another model that brings even more bits than what you see here. And I will also show you a quick video on that one. And I will post a link in the description. Again, I will post a link to this on the description so you can get it. But it's a must-have if you're doing repairs on the go. This fits in your back pocket. This fits in your backpack. This fits in your glove box. Anywhere you want to keep it, it's something nice to have. So go ahead and check them out. Let me know in the comments what you think about it, and we'll see you on the next one.
Today, we are going to tear down and test the Xcool Mini Electric Precision Screwdriver set. Upon opening the Xcool Precision Screwdriver, we can see it uses a mini motor. Can it achieve the claimed performance? Using a professional tachometer, we measured the Xcool screwdriver speed at 410 revolutions per minute, slightly higher than the rated 400. Next, we used a professional torque meter to test its torque. Multiple measurements showed that the Xcool's torque can reach approximately 0.31 Newton meters, also higher than the rated 0.3. This is an excellent performance for a precision screwdriver. We can see that the Xcool precision screwdriver is equipped with a 350 milliamp hours battery. To test its endurance, we prepared a panel with 500 screws and used the Xcool to unscrew them one by one. Amazingly, after unscrewing all 500 screws, it still showed a full battery. We also conducted a drilling test, leaving 40 holes in an aluminum plate, and it still had power. So crazy. Next, we focused on testing the screwdriver bits. Using a professional hardness tester, we found that the Xcool screwdriver bits have a hardness of 62 HRC, significantly higher than ordinary screwdriver bits. This makes them more wear-resistant and durable. In conclusion, the Xcool Mini Electric Precision Screwdriver set exceeded its claimed performance metrics with impressive battery life and durability. If you need a high-performance, durable, and portable electric screwdriver, the Xcool is a great choice. Thanks for watching. See you next time.